3.
Okay. We are here at the Spanish Institute, their department in Bilbao, and we just finished a fantastic information sharing workshop on artificial intelligence, algorithmic management of work. And Jorge is the coordinator of this information sharing workshop with the PEROSH members. And Jorge, can you give a few takeaways from the workshop, what we have learned?
Yeah, the idea is to share with different partners of the PEROSH network, about how artificial intelligence-based system, algorithmic management is impact different occupational safety and health risk, opportunities. So
right.
The main idea is to discuss about what is the main concerns, the interest of different members of PEROSH about the topic, and specifically of psychosocial risk implications, how this kind of system functions. So this is the first part of the workshop.
And we had quite a few PEROSH institutes here, huh?
Yes.
I think 6 or 7.
6 of them. Austrian partners, INAIL from Italia.
TNO from the Netherlands.
Exactly. INRS from
CIOP and PIB, about our Polish colleagues, INRS. So
Good. And Angelis, you guided us in the way how to define the research methods and to think of potential target groups and products. I think it was a fantastic session. I've never seen this before, where you design a research approach in advance, and I think it was a really good session. And can you share a bit your experiences also with the audience, how this session went today with the PEROSH colleagues?
We have been using creativity tools and we have been using brainstorming, and we developed several ideas, and we do another step of developing more ideas when we have listened to the others' ideas. After that, we have go to the ordinate axis in order to see the viability of these ideas, and also if they are in line with the project. And also you have been using stickers in order to say which institute can do those ideas. I think it was a good debate.
Very good. And this is one of the results here with the stickers, and we need to further fine-tune the project, of course. Jorge, you will be busy with that.
Yeah.
And, well, thank you very much. It was a really fantastic session here in Bilbao.
Yeah.
And I hope that the project will start soon, probably in January next year, and then we will report.
Thank you, PEROSH, and all of the participants that share with us their ideas. Thank you very much.
Okay,
We have made a good group. Yeah.